quick walkthrough of the RV. Main seating area is here. A little table that goes up on top right here with 2 cup holders. These chairs do swivel around. There is the bunk up on top here that comes down and that makes a bed. The bunk controls are right here. This seat belt needs to be unbuckled and turn the key to the on position and put the arrow down, and I'll bring that bunk down and then make sure that seat belt is buckled before driving. It will not let you start the RV. There's the theater seats that do recline, a dinette back here that turns into a bed. We do have a sofa here as well, and across from the theater seats is the TV, which is located right back there, and that right there is the power button to lift the TV up from in the wall. Kitchen here, microwave, range, full-size residential refrigerator, fireplace here, electric fireplace, bathroom area. You have a sink, a toilet, a full stand-up shower right over here. Then you also do have your controls right here for the generator and pretty much everything right here. So you can turn your water pump on, tank heaters. That's for the black and gray tank in the winter time. This is to turn on the water heater with the propane gas or electric. If you're plugged in somewhere at a campground, electric of course is provided through the power cord. Otherwise the propane is what you would use. And then here are all the buttons to check the levels of various things: propane, battery, freshwater tank, black and gray tanks. To start the generator, you just press and hold start and it will start it right up. And these things operate the slides, the 2 slides in and out. Bedroom area, TV here as well, and plenty of storage in there as well. This is a pantry right here, and in the bottom drawer there is the table for the front. And so now I'll just show you how to put the slides in. So we'll just retract them. We're retracting that slide. And we'll retract this slide. Before driving, you do need to make sure of a couple things. That this sliding door for the master is latched right here. That's latched. We need to make sure that the shower door is latched right here. That's latched. And that the bathroom sliding door is latched right over here. And that's latched. The other thing is just to make sure that this refrigerator, which is currently open before driving, needs to be closed as well. And once we get back up here to the front, from the driver area here, we do have leveling jacks, which right now they're leveled. And since I put the slides in, I'm going to go ahead and unlevel them. Power is on. We do have our emergency brake that's on for the leveling jacks, and the key is not in the ignition. And we will retract them all. To go ahead and auto level it, you would just hit power. Right here you have any warning lights that would illuminate as far as the parking brake, the ignition being on. It would tell you if there's a problem with it. But basically once you hit power, you just click auto level and it automatically levels itself. And you just need to make sure that the e-brake is on and that the key is not in the ignition. And from here as well, you can control the shade up and down, and that's for the front shade, for the windshield. And then you do have generator start and stop, so you can press and hold that button to start up the generator and stop it as needed. And that's pretty much it. And before you walk out of the RV, you can always shut off the main power right here, and it shuts off all 12-volt power to the RV so that you're not wasting power by leaving some light on somewhere. That's the basic rundown through the RV.